Hello, welcome. Let's have a continuation of our random revision on questions, episode 19. This is on word problem resulting into simultaneous equation. The cost, which is the total cost of 60 apples and 100 eggs, is 108,000 Ghana cedis. The cost of 72 of the same apple is the same as the cost of 30 of the eggs. So now we have to find how much 12 apples, 12 of the apples and 20 of the eggs will cost. Before that, we need to know how much is one of the apple costing and how much is one of the eggs, so that we can know, multiply by this, multiply by the amount. When we add, we should be getting this. So we need the unit cost. So let's represent that by a variable. So let's say let x be the cost of an apple. Simply put, one of the apple. Then we let y be the cost of an egg. So if that's the case, then x, 60 of the x, meaning 60x plus 100 of the y, should be giving us 108,000 cedis. The total cost, if x is the cost, imagine it is 2 cedis, meaning 2 cedis times 60 of them will be the amount you pay for buying an apple. If the eggs are 10 cedis, meaning 100 times 10, give it total. When you add it to this, you should be realizing 108 Ghana cedis, 108,000 Ghana cedis. So that is the first equation. But I see 10, 10, 10 being a common factor, 2, 2, 2 as well. So I'll use 20, dividing this to give us 3 of the x. 20 divided 100, I believe 5y. Then 20 divided here will cancel this and give us 5,400 as the first equation. Alright. Then picking from the second sentence, the cost of 72 apples. The cost is what? One cost is what? X. 72 of them will give us 72x. The price I'll pay is the same as if I buy 30 of the x, which is having the cost as 9, as y. 30 of the y. So that's the second equation. 72x is equals to 30 of the y. We are going to make x the subject here. Let's just say 72x divided by 72, 30y, 72. It will make x to be equals to, the cancellation give you 5 on 12y. That becomes the second equation. We are dealing with simultaneous equation. The first one is this, the second one is this. So since the second one is in terms of x, express x in terms of y, we introduce that into the first equation. So put equation 1 into equation 2, right? Which is going to be 3 times 5 on 12y, isn't it y? Yeah, it's y out there. Then plus 5y equals to 5,400. I can see 3 being a factor of 12. So it will go there. This will cancel 4. So I'll be left with 5 out of 4 y plus 5y equals to 5,400. This is just a fraction. So what do? We multiply through by the LCM, which is 4. So when you multiply all by 4, you are going to have here to be 5y plus multiply by 4, 20y equals to our 5,400 times 4 will give us 21,600. But if we check from here, 5y plus 20y will give us 25y equals to 21,600. 0, 0. But we are looking for y. So we divide both sides by 25. So if you divide by 25, y will be equals to 21600 over 25 equals to 864. So the value of y, meaning the cost of one egg, is 864 Ghana cedis. But that is not all. We also need the cost of the apple, which is the x. So let's do that substitution. So here we put y equals to 864 into equation 2. Where is it? That is x equals to 5 on 12 times 864, sorry. 864. So 864 divided by 12 times 5 as a numerator give us 360. So that is what we have as the cost of the apples. The cost of the apple is giving us this. But we are not looking for just the cost. We are looking for how much we are paying for 12 of the apples. So from here, 12 of the apple plus 20 of the eggs. What are you going to pay for it? So you only do 12 into bracket x, 360, 20 into bracket y, 864. We multiply this, and that will be 4320. Then 20 times the 864 will also give us 17280. But the total we are looking for should be in money. So we add that value to our 4320, and that will be 21,600. That is 21,600 Ghana cedis. So I can claim this one here. Since we are dealing with money, we put 2 decimal places. So this is what the final answer will be in terms of finding the 12 of the apples, the cost of it, and 20 of the eggs. So add them together will give us 21,600. And I'm sure at this point, the step leading to this is understood by you. If so, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.